site plan. I just hand sketched it on onion skin, colored it up, and put it on black cardboard. And here is the existing house, which is right here. And then here's the new addition right here. Now, I put a dovetail in there so that they can snap together, and it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so bear with me. Let me get my phone here with the other hand. It snaps into place like that, and then we put the second floor over here. It just falls in real simple. And then we got the second floor for the addition. It just goes in there, fits in like that. And then we've got the lower roof here. It goes in pretty good. Then the roof for the existing. And there's the existing now. It's pretty much complete. And then we just put the roof on over here. It just falls on right there. And then it also has an outdoor kitchen, which is underneath here. You can see in there. And just put the floor back on. Just goes in pretty easy. Fits real well. And then the outside staircase. And there you have it.